Good afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Catie McNeil. You've now clicked on the Weather Now link, and now as we're continuing to see roads dry out at this hour, very frigid temperatures setting in over the course of the next couple days. And here's a look outside right now, our live cam in North Scituate. One of the spots that received around 4 inches of snow. We saw totals topping out in our immediate area in Burrillville and Rhode, and we have 2 reports there of around 5 inches of snow. Everywhere else was kind of settling around 4 inches and below that, especially as you head closer down towards the South Shore and farther east towards Cape Cod as well. But again, much quieter conditions now. Roads will continue to dry out. Those untreated roads, still some slushy areas in spots this afternoon, but overall vast improvements from what we were seeing earlier now with snow moving away from the area. The only thing we're monitoring this afternoon or late afternoon and evening is the potential for some snow flurries as a weak shortwave kind of goes over the region fairly quickly here during that evening time frame. But other than that, staying dry for the rest of the day today, outside of that brief chance for a flurry or two of snow. And as we head towards the overnight here, that cold air is really going to set in. We'll see those frigid temperatures settling in the teens overnight, with those feel-like temperatures around -5 for the start of your day tomorrow. So certainly with kids heading back to school, lots of people heading back to work after the holiday here, something to be mindful of. If there's a way to avoid having the kids go to the bus stop, might be a good idea with those temperatures settling, again, with the wind chill values in the negative. So the coldest temperatures we've seen so far this winter season. And with that, your temperature trend here as we continue on, we're going to see these very below average temperatures, especially overnight and early in the morning. Through Wednesday, temperatures do start to moderate, but staying a little bit below average towards the weekend until around Saturday and Sunday, when we'll see those highs back in the upper 30s to lower 40s. But with that, here's a look at those wind chills here. -5 in some spots expected early in the morning between 6 and around 8 o'clock. But even by the afternoon, still going to feel like the single digits. So just very cold air all around here for the entirety of the day tomorrow on Tuesday. But with that, for the rest of this afternoon, temperatures in comparison to what we're seeing the next 2 days, not too bad out there, although again, wind chill a factor today as well. We'll see highs topping out around the mid-20s with that sunshine, which will make way for fairly pleasant conditions outside of the cold for the remainder of the day. But these overnight lows tonight, as this very frigid air continues to set in, will be in the single digits with those wind chills around -5 to even -10 in some spots. So that wake up, heading off to school, to work, very cold out there. That's our main message, hence why we're staying in a weather alert for tomorrow with that abnormally cold air moving through, especially through the later hours of the day today and early tomorrow, with your highs well below average, only topping out in the lower 20s. So again, we're going to continue that trend through at least Wednesday before temperatures start to moderate towards the weekend. As far as precipitation goes, not monitoring any big storms in the forecast over the next several days. And as always, you can get any updates on our website at WPRI.com.